B.C. Webb, from his book, God is an Engineer, says, God has to be an engineer to have put all of this together. Only an engineer would have the logic and creative genius to build the universe and design and fabricate all the plants and the animals. God calculated bone stress, the stress that we carry under loads and carried loads we carry. He calculated that. He did chemical calculations for digestive systems, kinematics for muscle movement, pipeline hydraulics for your blood flow. You ever wonder how your blood could just, one muscle, but how did it get the blood to just flow all through your body from head to toe? You could be bent over, contorted, doing all kind of things, and your blood's still flowing. And even though the veins are bent in my arm, amen, you kink a line, it's going to stop the flow. You know how you do the water hose. Why your blood don't stop like that when you bend your arm? Pipeline hydraulics, look at that. Supernatural engineer. Electric circuits for every nervous system. And he used bird nests as architecture. I like to look at a lot of documentaries, and I watch animals and how intelligent they are. And there is a bird that they call the weaver. And that particular bird actually weaves. The nest is woven. How do you weave and you don't have hands? This is amazing to me. I love looking at nature because it's God's design. He's our supernatural engineer. So I want you to understand that even if you don't quite understand what your area of engineering is, you may not be able to quite articulate it, you need to explore it through the Spirit of the Lord, allow God to expand it in you and use you, and don't count yourself out. Hey, I don't have a PhD. What's it got to do? I got the mind of God. He's the engineer. Well, I didn't attend this great Harvard or Princeton, all these Ivy League universities, but I've got the Spirit of God. He's the master engineer. We're here to get the master's mind on the matter. And the master's mind concerning you is that I put engineering in you because you are in me. And I'm in you. You are created from me and of me. Therefore, all that is in me and of me is in you. And I am a master engineer. I am the engineer of all engineers. So you have engineering in you. You have creativity in you. You have innovativeness in you. You have ingenuity in you. You got me in you, saith the Lord. So let's engineer to solve some of God's practical problems in the earth. That's why we're here. Because guess what? He gave us dominion. I created it. I engineered it. I constructed it. I set it up, and I gave it to you. It's yours. So if you see problems, get to engineering. Get to engineering. Amen? We are God's engineers in the earth.